Hi guys, it's Ms. Gonzalez. Today we're going to be talking about multiplication strategies. So we're going to go ahead and make an anchor chart in our math journal. I want you to label it multiplication strategies. Okay, once you have written your title, I want you to make 4 squares. Okay, and we're going to label the first square equation. Okay, and we're going to label the second one repeated addition. Addition with an N. And the third one, equal groups. Alright, now once you have labeled that, we're going to start with the first one, equation. The equation that we're going to be doing is 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, this is a multiplication equation or a multiplication sentence. Now this X right here in the middle, when we read it we say times. Okay, this answer right here in a multiplication is called the product. So the product of 5 times 3 is 15. Now, we're going to be talking about some strategies that will help us to solve a multiplication equation. So the first one that I want us to talk about is called repeated addition. Now, repeated addition is when you add a number several times to solve a problem. So for example, I have here 5 times 3 equals 15. I can use this multiplication sentence to write my repeated addition. This means that I'm going to write 5 times the number 3. I'm going to add the number 3 5 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. This is repeated addition because this is 5 times 3. So I am adding the number 3 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 3 equals 15, or I can add the same number several times to get 15. That's repeated addition. Now, repeated addition is where you add the number several times. So, let's look at our anchor chart for repeated addition. And it says, the tooth fairy had 3 jars of teeth. Each jar had 3 teeth in it. How many teeth did she have in all? Okay, how can we solve this problem? Well, we can use repeated addition to solve this problem. We know that there are 3 jars of teeth. Here are my 3 jars drawn out. And each jar has 3 teeth. There's 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. 3 plus 3 plus 3. I can use repeated addition to solve that. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. That is what we're going to be doing today. Now, we're going to also talk about equal groups. Okay, this means that in a multiplication sentence, I can say it that I have it in equal groups to help me add and solve. So, for example, using this equation, 5 times 3, if I say that using my equal groups, then I can read it like this. I can say 5 groups of 3. So in this case, the X will say of to help us with our equal groups. 5 groups of 3. Groups of 3. Now, for this, that means that we draw 5 groups. And your groups could be anything you want. Squares, circles, it doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have my 5 groups of 3. That tells me that each group has to have 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 5 groups of 3. This means that this group has 3, this one has 3, this one has 3, this one has 3, this one has 3. This is called equal groups. I have 5 equal groups because each group has 3 in it. Now, here I can see my repeated addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So these kind of go together all the time. So we're going to practice a few, and then I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing in your math book. So here we have this card, and we have our picture here, our boxes with our donuts. So the first thing I want us to do is I want us to count how many donuts are in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one also has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each box has 7 donuts. Well, this is a way to show my work. I have shown my work counting and writing the number inside each box. So now, after you show your work, you have done your repeated addition. This means 7 plus 7 plus this 7 equals 21. I'm going to write my answer here at the bottom because I don't have space. Okay. I can also write my multiplication sentence. How many groups do we have? How many boxes? We have 3 boxes. Of how many in each box? 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. So now we have our repeated addition in our multiplication sentence. Okay? Let's try another one. First thing you need to do when you have your groups is count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this guy has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one also has 5. This one has 5. This one has 5. This one has 5. Look at there. Once you show your work, you can use repeated addition to solve it. 5 plus 5 plus 5. So I'm going to write it right here. Hopefully I have space. Now I'm going to write it in the bottom. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals, I should have written 5 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So this is my repeated addition. I can add all these 5s to find my answer. Okay? 5 plus 5 is 10, and then this 5 plus 5 is 10, so 10 plus 10 is 20, plus another 5 is 25. That's my repeated addition. I can write my multiplication sentence using this picture. How many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 groups. How many are in each group? 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, that's one that we've done. Now let's do one more and then we're going to move on. Okay, here I have 3 trees or 3 groups, and I need to count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. Well, guess what? We have our repeated addition. 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. I can also write my multiplication sentence. How many trees do we have? 3 groups of how many in each tree? 6 equals 18. Now you have your multiplication sentence and your repeated addition. All right. Now, what you're going to be doing this week in math is you're going to be practicing multiplication. And in your math book on page 442, you have a paper that is to show your work. This is how I work. Okay. they already did the picture for you, and they already wrote the repeated addition and the multiplication sentence. So I want to show you how I want you to show your work. There's 2 here, there's 2 here, there's 2 here. Okay? 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. This is where I'm getting my repeated addition from this right here, from showing my work. Okay? Okay, now, for my multiplication sentence, how many groups do we have? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3. That's this, 3. 3 groups of, how many in each group? 2. 3 times 2 is 6. That's how I got my multiplication sentence. Okay, let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This guy has 5, 5, 5. All right, now, show my work. Here's my repeated addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is where I'm getting it from. Should give me 15. My multiplication, how many groups of? Let's see. Well, 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 groups of, how many in each group? 5 equals 15. This is how I want you to show your work when you're doing this page. Now here, if you notice, they didn't give you a picture. They just gave you the repeated addition, and they want you to make up the multiplication sentence. Well, guys, don't worry. If they gave you the repeated addition, you can also do it. Watch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups? 5. 5 groups of 2 equals 10. Okay? Now here, if you go over here, 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 5. So either way, you can still do it. Okay, guys, I hope that you learned something today about multiplication. Please take the time to do it slowly and show your work, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.